Church throughout the nations, live from Telegracia International Studios. Prepare to receive the desired of all nations, the King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Dr. José Luis de Jesús, the man Christ Jesus.
Yo, Jesucristo hombre.
Blessed with all blessings. Once again with you, but now with the countdown. Counting the days and weeks until the day of that great spectacle that the entire beloved is waiting to see. Today's topic is the Great Day of the Lord, Part 2. This message is for all the athletes, soldiers, and agriculturists of this powerful government. And there are some characteristics of those who will be part of these firstborn, because these are the firstborn of the Lord. Number one, they will have a mark on the right hand, or on their forehead, the mind, or a number, the number of his name. Revelations 13, 16 and 17 says, He causes all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hand or on their foreheads, and that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark, or his name, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Here is wisdom, not confusion. Here is wisdom. Although John sees it differently, but we have explained that John is of the circumcision, and like the angel, and like Paul warned, if someone preaches a different gospel, even if it's an angel that appears, that's what appeared to John in the islands of Patmos. An angel that confused him, because this is a way of God hiding himself. The book of Revelations has never been understood. There are thousands of interpretations of this book, but it was encoded for these days.